Hello to everybody watching this video. This is the 2019 Honda Rebel 500. We're going to be changing the exhaust out here. Here's the stock. We're going to be changing out the Lextek. This baby is pretty slick. Nice carbon fiber. It's going to sound great. This is mostly like a sports bike exhaust, but I think it'll look pretty rad. And from what I hear, it's a great exhaust. So we're going to do a little bit of a sound check here just for comparison for you guys. Hopefully this sounds okay. Got a little bit of wind out here. There's the stock. It is on. Check that out. Oh, there's a little spot there. Looking good. See, I flipped the Lextek, so that's over on the other side. I sort of like this sleek look. Don't really like all the labels and everything everywhere. But yeah, looks slick, so let's go ahead and fire her up. Hi, buddy. I see. All right, stand back.